Hi guys! So we are officially starting station number 2, which is Regents Prep Multiple Choice. And the whole purpose of this station is so that you all will be able to use this routine when you're answering Regents questions so that you can feel even more confident and improve your accuracy on the Regents in June. So multiple choice sometimes seem easier, but can be really tricky if you don't understand everything that's going on. And the Regents tend to use a little bit of complex language that if you just spend a little bit of time breaking it down, you'll be more successful. So that's what this elimination routine is going to do. Please make sure that you are on page 4 and you have paused the video to write down your learning goal. Let's get started going over the elimination routine. So there are 4 key steps. The first step is for you to read the question, and you're going to find the word or the question clue. So in all multiple choice questions, they have a task word. So they're going to tell you to explain something, describe something, choose the best. And then they're going to have a question clue. So they can say, hey, use evidence, use the model. You need to actually make sure that you're paying attention to those keywords to be successful in answering those questions. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to review each of the answer choices and you're going to mark those keywords, but do not start crossing things out immediately. You want to make sure that you look through all 4 choices before you decide what to remove. So after you reviewed all of the choices, you're going to begin by crossing out the traps. So these traps are common for any type of test you'll take in the future, whether it be like the SAT, the Regents. Let's say you want to go to trade school. Trade school people also take exams. If you want to be a hairdresser, they also take exams. These type of crossing out traps are on all different types of exams. So the first one that is something that's too extreme. Anytime they use something like always, never, only, there's rarely things that are always like 100%. So even when you use hand sanitizer on a bottle, it shows that, oh, it's 99.9% effective in killing germs. They leave that 0.1% to show you that it may not be absolute. So they also, in science in particular, they tend to switch out the processes. So they may say, oh, animals use photosynthesis, but to gain energy, but we don't use sunlight to gain energy. Like, that's just not a process. We eat food to gain energy. So you want to make sure you're paying close attention to if it's mismatching. They may put like the right idea in the wrong location or system. And what we mean by that, let's say, oh, what body part is responsible for understanding messages and creating thought? And they're going to say something like, oh, that is your skin. We know that's wrong. We know that body part is our brain. So pay close attention if something is in the wrong space. Then they have things that are backwards. So it's like mixing up the cause and effect. So let's say that it's raining outside, and because it's raining outside, you eat ice cream, right? That's not that's not always a cause and effect. It could say, or like you have an umbrella and now that it's raining. Like, that doesn't work. It's raining, so you get an umbrella. Or they say a topic that could be true or it could be fact, but it doesn't really answer the question. So you want to make sure that you're paying close attention while you're reading the question so that it makes sense and it actually connects. And then your final step is to make sure that when you are comparing the last 2 choices after you crossed out both traps, that you are in fact making sure that it is aligning to your notes. It aligns with like the little blurb, because each of the Regents have like a little paragraph, or they have a model, or they have some type of graph. But you want to make sure that you're gathering from some type of evidence in the question. And that's all I have for this part of the video. Please go to the next video so that we can actually do some guided practice together and use these elimination routine in real questions.